Hi, I'm Jason Wilk, and in this video we'll be showing you how to install the 901-67Y YOUCAN maintenance tune-up kit on the CS-620P chainsaw. Before we get started, we just want to make sure we have safety glasses, a wire or a hook so that we can pull the fuel filter out of the fuel tank, and then a 19mm wrench so we can remove the spark plug, and of course 901-67Y YOUCAN maintenance tune-up kit. Before we remove the air filter cover, we just want to make sure the chain brake is in the forward or on position. We'll make sure the ignition switch is in the stop position, and we'll also go ahead and pull the choke out just to prevent any kind of dirt from falling into the throat of the carburetor. Then to gain access to the air filter, we'll just unthread the air filter cover knob counterclockwise until it's loose. Then set it off to the side. Now that the air filter cover is removed, we simply just pull off the old air filter, take the replacement air filter, slide it over the stud, make sure it's sitting flush, and then we also have access with our cover off to our spark plug, which we'll do next. To replace the spark plug, we'll go ahead and just slide the spark plug wire out from the holder clip here. And then using our fingers, we'll go ahead and grab a hold of the spark plug boot and pull it from the top of the spark plug. It may be a little tight, which sometimes twisting it back and forth first before pulling on it makes it a little bit easier to remove. Using our 19mm spark plug wrench, we'll go ahead and unthread the spark plug from the engine in a counterclockwise direction. Next, we'll replace it with a new spark plug. First, we want to just thread the spark plug into the cylinder with our fingers to get the thread started. And then we'll come back with our 19mm spark plug wrench and tighten it into the engine. Then we'll reconnect the spark plug boot onto the top of the spark plug, and then just tuck the spark plug wire back into its holder right to the side of the spark plug. Now that we've replaced the spark plug and the air filter, we'll take the air filter cover, we'll reinstall it, and tighten the air filter cover knob until it's nice and tight. To replace the fuel filter, we'll loosen and remove the fuel cap. Then using a hook, a piece of wire bent to the shape of a hook, we'll reach into the fuel tank. We'll pull out the fuel filter, which is attached to the end of the fuel line. We'll hold the clamp in place and just twist the filter off. And then we'll go ahead and reinstall the new fuel filter, ensuring that clamp stays attached. Then we'll go ahead and push this back into the fuel tank and then reinstall the fuel cap. This completes the installation of the 901-67Y YOUCAN maintenance tune-up kit on our CS-620P. Now this kit also does fit the CS-590 Timberwolf and the CS-620PW model. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to check back for additional installation videos.